guys, today we are going to play Ceiling Fan Land Response update. There are 2 participants here. This is going to be great, guys. That's not great, that sound. Why she's coming to me? I don't know. She's saying something. Yeah, baby. Let's rock it up. Wait, I have to leave and rejoin because something happens. I don't know, whatever, she's not found that. Every times and times and times. She left! No. Go away from here. I will take a cup. Oh no. Hey, she's really naughty. I wanna die. And let's go outside. And now let's go to nature. Bye bye, Bossy. Hey, what's happening? I think I have to take that again. Why the host is being angry? Which we want to kill, they kill. With the one and all. What happened?